I've used this particular method to grow my sister's TikTok account, and right now she's over 4,000 followers. I've used this same method to grow my TikTok account, and right now I'm over 46,000 followers. And I have also used this method to grow my baby girl's account, and right now this account is over 2,000 followers, getting to 3,000 followers. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to get your first 1 to 10,000 followers on TikTok by doing just one thing, even without you uploading a video, even without you just doing anything, but you just want to get, or you just want to start building your TikTok account. Okay, if you have international TikTok accounts, I think this is even going to be more profitable to you, because once you get your first 10,000 followers, you are going to monetize on TikTok. But be it local, be it international, why do people need 1,000 followers, especially 1,000 followers? Because once you get your first 1,000 followers on TikTok, you will be able to go live. Okay, and once you start going live, people will come there, support you, and once they support you, at the end of the day, you're going to be making a lot of money, and then you're going to be withdrawing to your local bank account. Okay, and yes, if you don't know how to withdraw your TikTok money and every other stuff, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be doing a video for you in case your money has been stocked on TikTok. Yes, and I have a lot of withdrawal proof that I've been able to showcase, and voila. Oh, hello, beautiful people. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Sonia, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do what, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let us get right into my screen record. Okay, screen record is all started, and I'll be going straight to my TikTok account. So as a new person, you just joined TikTok, but you don't even know what to do, or you've not uploaded any of your video. This is exactly what I am going to do. Okay, so this is my main profile. Okay, this is my main account, and this is exactly what I am going to do. You are going to come to your FYP exactly the same way this thing is. If you're not so much okay with this particular video, you can swipe. FYPs are where TikTok show you videos that you can actually see that are trending. Okay, and that is why it is very, very important for you to go to your FYP during this particular thing that you want to do. So I'm just going to go ahead to scroll, and then I'm going to see this particular video. I love this particular one because this one has 361.2k likes. It has 9,181 comments. Okay, and since I've seen like this, what am I going to do next? Since I am pursuing my 1,000 followers, I'm going to go ahead and click on this person's profile. And if I click on this person's profile, it is going to be open. Okay, once it's open, you can see that this person have 1.5 million followers and the rest of that. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be clicking on her followers list, not following list. So if I click on her followers list, I'm going to be seeing a whole lot of people here that I'm going to follow, but this is not what I am going to be following. Please pay attention to this so that at the end of the day, you don't miss out to any part of this particular video. So I'm not going to be using this particular list. I'm going to go ahead and click on suggested. This was exactly what I did. Once I click on suggested, you are going to go ahead to check out all of these suggested that TikTok actually suggests to you. You will notice that most of the people that TikTok will suggest to you on any suggested box are people that are new like you. Okay, you can see that this person has 32 followers, 22 followers, and is following 32 people. And you can see this is my madam, my small madam. She opened another account, Sabi girl. You can see. So a lot of people that you are going to be seeing are people that are new like you on TikTok. Then now, what is the next thing that you are going to do? You are going to go ahead to give yourself 3 hours in a day. Okay, understand what I'm trying to say, because I'm going to be taking this slow. 3 hours in a day, and for the 3 hours in a day, what are you going to do? You are going to use that 3 hours in a day to follow 500 persons. Yes, you heard me. 500 persons. And you're not just going to come here and start doing follow, 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 follow. You go follow, follow, follow. The more you keep doing follow, 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 TikTok can come back and unfollow all of them. Or TikTok will come back and tell you, or TikTok might drop a comment. You'll be seeing the message that you're following too fast, you're following too fast. And it might put you to TikTok follow jail. And since I don't want you to enter TikTok follow jail, you are going to take your time to follow one person and you stop. You follow the second person, you stop. You follow the third person, you stop. You follow, like just the way I would, maybe I just follow, I will hold on, follow and hold on. And once you follow 10 persons, you're going to hold on, give yourself for like 5 minutes, and then come back again to follow another 10 persons. So every 5 minutes, you are going to be following 10 persons. Let me stop the screen record first. You are going to be following 10 persons. And once you are following those 10 persons, you come back again. Before the end of the 3 hours, just make sure you have already followed 500 persons. And once you've already followed the 500 persons, this is the next thing that you are going to do. You are not going to unfollow anybody. You are going to give them 48 hours. So in 48 hours, which is in the next 2 days, you are going to come back and then check your lists on your profile. Who are those ones that have followed you and who have those ones that have not followed you? You've given them 48 hours. So if anybody's account is active on TikTok, by 48 hours, that person should have been able to check his or her TikTok account. And if that person need active followers like you, that person should have been able to check who and who is following me and how do I follow, and let me start following them back. So if in 48 hours, that person did not come to show up or follow you back, then you are going to go to your following list, okay? So you go to your following list. I want to go to my following list right now, which is this particular site that you're seeing following. And then you're going to click on your following list and then check people that has not followed you back. You are going to what? Unfollow them gradually. Once you unfollow them, then you go back again to, even if it's my profile you want to come back to, or anybody that you feel like is okay for you, you go back to their profile again, you click on their followers, you are going to what? See what they are suggested. If you slide like this, you're going to see they are suggested, and then you're going to click on their suggested, and you're going to apply the same method. You keep doing that. In 48 hours, you come back to unfollow those that did not unfollow you. There is no way you are going to follow 500 persons and 300 persons are not going to follow you back. There is no way you're going to follow 1,000 persons and 600 persons, 400 persons are not going to follow you back, because suggested followers are people that are new like you. So TikTok will be suggesting your own new accounts to them, and TikTok will also be suggesting their own new accounts to you. So following them and then following you will give you that edge of meeting to your first 1,000, or even if you want to get to your first 10,000 followers. And then once you get to your first 1,000 followers, the next thing for you to do is to start going live. Once you start going live, it is not going to be that easy in the initial stage. Yes, I understand, but just keep going live. You will start making money on TikTok. I hope this video is able to help anyone that is out there. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this out. Let me know if you are a TikToker and this was also the means that you've gotten, that you use to get your own followers as well. Let me know if you've been stuck on TikTok for so long with 200, 300, 100 followers, and you're going to be implementing this. And please, if it does, come back, because we really, really love to get reviews from you. Thank you so much for staying sick and hope you made to the end of this video, and I hope this video is able to help anyone out there. If it does, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. If you have any video requests you want me to actually film for you, let me know. I'm going to be doing all of that for you, okay? And yes, with no further ado, bye. I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah.